Dr. Konko, see how God works. This man on green saw me, called me, he wanna buy shoe, that he wants to buy shoe from me from Stonegate. He said he's a mess. He nursed me while I was sick at college medical. I mean, these people gave me some other patient's medication. I gave it to one guy. Bobby Anyanwu paid him and they discarded the medication. A lawsuit of almost $10 million. I mean, this guy and Bobby Anyanwu, for the fact they saw me and recognized me, they knew why I was giving wrong medication. Uncle, how are you? Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
How is it going, Chairman? You guys are having breakfast.
Yes.
I think I saw you in the bus. Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
I want phone. I have a unlocked iPhone. I don't know.
Unlocked.
Unlocked. Double SIM card. You can walk anywhere. I have 4. One is in my car. One is charging at by Jerry's restaurant. We can go to the shop right now. You plug it up, and I will give you evidence of sale. I have iPhone 14, brand new, unlocked. I have a 14 used. I have 15 Pro Max. I have 16 Pro Max. They can walk anywhere. Double SIM card, the original iPhone. I hope you good. My car battery, I don't know what happened. It discharged by Wasenga where I was doing my administration. But I told you I want to go into administration, So it discharged. I'm waiting for my body shop to come and power it. How is it going? How is your son? How work now? America is very slow now on that Trump. But the Bible said that the righteous shall succeed, Now let me have this have been something there.
I just bought it. I just read it here.
You don't know I sell clothes. But if I beg you money, you won't give me. Now I'll come and buy something. Last time I saw you at P&G, I said I'm hungry. You said you're my uncle. You said you're my brother. The last time you invited me to buy shoe, you didn't buy shoe. Okay, talk to me, uncle.
I went to sell my I came back like yesterday. This morning, people will have.
Oh, you said Onuoha?
That day.
Okay.
Just that day. Because I came
you take to Miracle and Justin then.
I didn't know. So I took the house.
That's why sometimes I want to talk to you. You think money is everything. Miracle is of Manchester and French. She can buy everything you have.
If I want to.
Justin is there. What is his name? There's one by Slauson and French.
Yeah. So I just took everything, took it to them. So they saw me.
Beach is there.
I'm like, I don't have money.
I have big social media audience. I have more than 40,000 followers. I can put it there. There are some people that cook food that don't have shops. Somebody like what's her name? The one from Ogan Nama and his sister. Mercy Johnson. Yeah. Mercy Johnson on South Harbour and what's his 35th. She cook food for people. She come a lot of people. Then another one goes to winners. Her name is Ikechi. Even Ikechi. Uncle, buy me buns, make I chop before I die. Since I began to serve God, I've been suffering. Buy me buns, $1 buns. It's more like give you back.
If I have money, I'll
use a credit card. Take my phone. Take my phone and buy me $1 buns. I want to empower you since you don't want to empower me. Because do you know Bobby Anyanwu? So don't worry about the buns again. Let me tell you why I came to meet you. Do you know Bobby Anyanwu? How do you know Bobby Anyanwu? The brother to Team Anyanwu. I thought you're from Umbise.
I'm not.
I said nurse.
Where am I from? Where am I from?
Abia.
Oh
okay. No, I said nurse. You have worked at college medical center like you told me. Can you justify? Can you justify? My brother, forget about the money. Life is not that serious. If I'm hungry, I take anything here and leave. The police can not arrest me in case you don't know who I am. My brother, can you justify Bobby Anyanwu? In more than 7 locations, Bobby Anyanwu told me that he hospitalized me at college medical. It's not a problem.
That's not good.
That's not good. No, if you tell me that in private, that's HIPAA. That's okay. When I had a situation with P&J for breaking my metal bond, in the midst of more than 20 Nigerians, heated arguments, he said I need to go back to Hawthorne Medical. So
he's not supposed to say that.
I need to go back to Hawthorne Medical so he can medicate me again. For him to keep on saying this, and for his brother to scam me $6,000 I've landed a lawsuit to the Board of Nursing I told both of us that Bobby Anyanwu intentionally gave me wrong medication at college medical and constantly demeaned me. As a legal nurse practitioner, you do not disclose somebody's identity in the public, more so identity of mental illness, and not just that, demeaning the person. He will call me crazy and smelling and stupid. I need to go take my medication. He can call the cops and lock me up. My brother, I want to give you my final advice, because I just see you and like it. It's not about money. Make sure you man CCTV in your vehicle. Don't take or send money to anybody who cannot bring to law court. A lot of Nigerians here work for CIA and the FBI. You will not know. They will tell you, let's do funny thing. My brother, if you know,
I'm 66 years old. I can't go to jail now.
No, don't say that.
I will not survive.
Okay. I thought you said.
So
Okay.
you will not be involved.
I will go into that rubbish.
I gave you
My kids are grown.
Did I give you my YouTube channel and my Facebook?
No.
I do administration. You can look it up online. Only 2 times give you
Look
lot
at
to
your
win.
phone. You go kill the phone, guy.
Which one?
I want them. Okay, I got more credit card that they use. More. I want my phone.
This
You couldn't one. Get your number one.
as what? I told you I don't work anymore. I go about preaching about health and wealth. Sometimes I go home. I don't see what to eat.